Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, the step-by-step process on how to replace that light bulb inside your microwave. Ours is burnt out. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, in the kitchen now, and get yourself a little step stool. Be very careful. You don't want to fall off and hurt yourself during this project. Step number one, safety first always. Cut all electrical power to your microwave. No ifs, ands, buts about it. Never, ever, ever, ever work on a microwave with it plugged in. From here, you've got screws on the top portion. I'll go ahead and close that. You've got a screw here. No need to touch that. That controls and secures this outer panel. However, you need to remove that screw. Come to the opposite side and that screw. After removing both screws, go ahead and open up your door. And this little plastic panel, there's two little clips on the bottom portion that it connects into, and then it inserts itself and wraps around this little hinge portion. Just be careful, it is plastic. Go ahead and just carefully pull it out and shift it outward. Set that in a safe location. Check that out. Look at this little clip. Just by pushing it back, you can lift this little tab up. So the top portion, notice how it's acting as a securing clip for this portion. Push it back and up, this cover comes, and actually you take that entire cover out and there's the bulb right in there. Go ahead and unscrew it. There it is. At this point, I've got the bulb in a plastic Ziploc bag. Let's go to our local Lowe's, match the bulb, and purchase a brand new one. Back from our local Lowe's, check this out. We purchased an LED bulb. It's only 2.5 watt output as opposed to 25 watt. Energy saver, 200 lumens. Let's go ahead and open it. All right, YouTubers, bulb is out of the package. Check that out. Again, LED. That is super cool, very unique. This is a GE brand, as you can see here. Took the old bulb and put it in the package. Let's go back to the microwave and install it. Back in the microwave, be very careful as you maneuver this bulb back into place. I've got rubber gloves on because you don't want any finger oils on your actual bulb. Do your best not to cross thread this. It should go in extremely smoothly. If it does not, back it out and reinsert it and secure it. And you want it pretty snug, but do not over tighten it. Let's go ahead and grab that cover plate and align this properly. The back side goes into a little slot. Push this down until it clips and the cover plate snaps into place with this clip. From here, we'll grab that plastic panel, shift it inside the actual hinge portion. Very important, down at the very bottom you have clips. Those actually have to go in the bottom clip holes first. So as you shift this into place, take that into consideration. Be extremely careful. Again, the bottom portion first. And once it's in place, go ahead and verify that the screw holes are realigned. We need to just shift that slightly, push it in, there it goes, and re-secure both screws. After securing both of those screws, close your door, reopen it, and it should open and close very smoothly. If there's a bind or it's catching on anything, pull this panel off, reinsert it and secure it. From here, go ahead and close it, come up top and plug the microwave back in. And when we open the door, our light should be working again. Go ahead and select the cancel off and oh yes, brand new light bulb is working properly, and that's actually brighter than the old one. That's really awesome. So as you can see, YouTubers, That took just a few minutes, and that was a stress-free and friendly DIY project. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That will be awesome. Thanks again for watching, YouTubers.